Hello and welcome back to Aliena's Kitchen, where today we are going to be making a PB&J smoothie. If you love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches as much as I do, then this is the perfect smoothie for you. And the best part, it's a great meal replacement because it keeps you fuller for longer and it's full of all healthy ingredients. So let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to have to do is make our jam. And today we are making a delicious strawberry and chia seed jam, and it's really simple to make. So we're just gonna put our saucepan on about medium heat and add in 1.5 cups of sliced strawberries, along with 2 tablespoons of water. And now we're going to let this heat up and get all bubbly and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until our strawberries are nice and soft. Once your strawberries are nice and soft, you can mash them together so it's a nice thick sauce, and then you can add in 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Once you've mixed in your chia seeds, you can take it off the heat, put it in a jar or another bowl, and put it in your fridge until it's completely cooled, which is about an hour. Now we can start making our smoothie. So the first thing we're going to put in our blender is our bananas. And today I have 2 frozen bananas, and I really recommend freezing your bananas the night before because this makes your smoothie super creamy, as well as I don't have to use ice because my bananas are frozen. The next thing I'm adding in is my dates, and I soaked my dates in some hot water for about 10 minutes before because this lets them blend together a lot easier, because sometimes when I don't soak my dates I get little pieces of date chunks in my smoothie and I don't like that. So I recommend soaking them for a bit before, and today I'm using 2 dates. You can use 1 to 2 depending on how sweet you want your smoothie, as well as I have 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. And now our peanut butter. So you can use anywhere from 2 to 3 tablespoons of peanut butter depending on how peanut buttery you want your smoothie. And also I'm using some almond milk, but you can really use any milk of your choice. And I'm adding in a 3/4 cup of almond milk. And now we can blend it all together. Now that we have our peanut butter smoothie done, we can add in our strawberry jam. So today I'm just using 1/3 cup of the strawberry jam, and you're going to have some leftovers so you can make this smoothie again, or you can put this jam on some toast, really whatever you want with it. So let's add it in. So now this last step is completely optional, but I love decorating my glass and making it look nice and pretty. So I'm doing this little swirl effect with peanut butter as well as my jelly up my glass. So I'm just taking a little bit of my jelly, putting it in, and I'm also just letting gravity do a lot of the work for me. So I'm letting it twist around like so. And voila! I find the jelly one is a little bit harder to do than the peanut butter one because the peanut butter likes to stick and the jelly's a little wanting to slide around on me. But I think it looks nice and pretty like so. So now we can try our smoothie. I'm so excited. And this last step is also optional, but I like to put a little bit of a final touch of peanut butter as well as my jelly on top. And now the best part, getting to taste our very pretty smoothie. I'm excited and I'm hungry, so perfect timing. So good, so creamy. I absolutely love this. And I just want to say a very special thank you to Minimalist Baker, who I got this recipe from. I absolutely love your blog as well as how many healthy, delicious recipes you have. So thank you, you gave me another one. So please let me know if you guys try this smoothie and what you think in the comments down below. As well as if you like smoothies, I should have a playlist right here or right over here of all my smoothie recipes, and I try to make them super healthy and delicious. So check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. I'm gonna go off and drink this now.